Hi you guys, so for this week's video, you guys wanted to see a room tour, so I'm going to give you a little tour of my beauty makeup room and then my bedroom. Yeah, it's going to be a pretty simple video. If there's anything in this video that you guys want to see, I will link it down below, and I'll just tell you as we go through the video where I got everything. So yeah, let's get started. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week for another, I don't know, maybe makeup video. Who knows? Who knows what'll happen. Real quick, I just want to show you guys. Everybody knows this already about people that do YouTube, but I'm wearing like a normal shirt and sweatpants because what else would I be wearing? So yeah, I'm going to go change my lens real quick and then I'll keep going. All my walls are just white because I just want everything to be nice and clean, and when I take pictures I thought it would be nice because I used to not have a backdrop, but now I have a backdrop that I need to iron, but that's beside the point. So everything is just white. There's a little smudge of makeup there because that is the wall I use to take pictures when I don't use this. My floors are just, I don't even know. So behind me I have a little closet. I'm sure you guys have seen this when I have filmed. It's mostly storage in there. I have any like camera equipment. My mom has some stuff in there. And here is my backdrop and my ring light. I haven't put it away because I don't know how I want to store everything in my closet. I gotta like reorganize everything. But yeah, it's just I believe it's the newer ring light. Yeah, it's really good. I have my little camera bag there just for the moment. Normally it's on a little shelf in the closet. Then I have this little mirror. I don't know where I got this actually. I think my cousin gave it to me. But I'm supposed to get a really big mirror that's either going to go on this wall or this wall. Yeah, doesn't really matter where it goes. But then we have my desk. I'm basic and I have my two little Alex drawers with a tabletop. I have a little garbage can on the side here. And then let's go on top of my desk. On top of my desk here I have my journal. This one is almost full, that's why I have another one underneath it. And this is just passwords that I use if I ever forget. In here I have cotton pads, some sponges, and some Q-tips. I also have, a little pen, and this is my, hey, I put it in plastic because I spill everything, so. On here I just have some like everyday skincare things. I have some witch hazel, some phytic acid toner, some glycolic toner from Mary Badescu, and I have these pearlescent sprays. This one is coconut water and this one is rose coconut water. And then I have the Thayer's witch hazel spray. This one is in cucumber, and then a little glow serum. I have some of my brushes in here. I need like a better way to organize my brushes, but I'm just strange. Then I have like this little organizer thing. I don't keep much in here. I have some oil sheets, a sharpener. This is an empty like moisturizing thing, but I thought it was so cute and I didn't want to get rid of it. It's a little snail. And yeah, I have a little screwdriver because sometimes I drop things behind my drawers, if that makes sense, and I have to unscrew them. And then in here I have like nail clippers and stuff like that, a little hair tie. In this side I have some of my like daily mascaras that I use. I have some oil, some setting spray, some makeup removing oil. And then here are like, ooh, you can't see my finger. And then back here are like some essential oils. I have tea tree oil. Ooh. I have tea tree oil. This is lime oil, and then these two are makeup removers. And yeah, those are pretty cool. I have some Physicians Formula oils here. These are really nice. I don't like the glittery one. I don't know why I bought it, but I bought it. So yeah, and this is just a brush. Oh, this is just a little brush that was drying in there, but I guess I forgot about it. So over here is just my phone chilling. I got a like gold pop socket on it and a marble phone case. That's from Amazon. And then I was drinking tea while doing my makeup, and I have a cute little marble coaster. I got this at Amazon. This isn't dirty, it's just a little mark in the marble. I have that, and then I have my face brushes. So these are like foundation type brushes, powder brushes, bronzer, anything like super fluffy and big. And then these are like my little brushes. So I have some stippling brushes, some highlighter brushes, like tiny bronzer contour brushes. I have a little candle. I think this is pumpkin. I can't remember. And then I have my vitamins here, which I have to go take one right now, actually. And then this, I'm leaving that to remind me that I need a new one. I have a blanket that my grandma made me, just draped over my chair, and sometimes I'll put it on me if I get cold, because I'm always cold, to be honest. And then I just have a little furry chair that I actually have to reupholster and put different fur on it, because I've had it for a decently long time, and I don't know, the fur got like clumped. And yeah, I just have my Alex Nani drawers. Alex Nani, yep, that's what they are. I have my IKEA drawers. Everyone has these, I feel like. And I have to reorganize my makeup. I'm waiting for my sister to come do that. And then over here, I have more makeup. I don't know what these drawers are called. I know you can get them on Amazon and stuff, but they're really nice, and these are filled up with any extra things. I have my special effects makeup in there. My oils are in there. I just have more stuff. And in the little corner over here, because they don't fit in any drawers, are my liquid latex bottles, and then I have a little extension cord there in case I need to charge in my laptop or my iPad or anything like that. I have some coconut oil. Sometimes I'll take it, use this to take my makeup off or whatever. I try not to leave it on my skin because I know coconut oil really clogs up your pores, but yeah, I have a little skull here. I don't know why I bought that. And some of the paint is chipping off. That's why there's like little white spots. These are my most worn sunglasses. Oh, you can see me in them. And I made a little glitter jar. Don't ask me why. I'm a child. And in here is some stuff I have for a little giveaway. I have to collect some more stuff. That's why I haven't announced anything yet. But yeah, keep in mind there's a giveaway coming. And that's basically it for this room. I do want to get something. If my mirror goes on this wall, I want to get something for this wall because I'm going to be putting the backdrop away, like in the closet when I'm not using it, but I don't know what I want to put up. Hey. Alright, now when you walk out of my makeup room, you see the like laundry area we have covered with a curtain, and then you walk in to my room. So it's all pretty simple. The carpet is from Ross, and Ross from Marshalls, but I think it's so cute, and I love all the fake little furry things. My bedroom set is from Amazon, and it is really cool. Sorry, that's my 10-foot charger. That's why it's all the way out there. I have drawers underneath it because I need all the space I can get. Oh, hey, I have another mirror here. We are a family that loves mirrors, to be honest. It's kind of awful. Let me shut the door. Again, everything in here is white. I do want to get something for the walls, but I don't know what I want just yet. So I have some blackout blinds. The comforter my mom bought online. I think she got it on Zulily. I have 3 little furry pillows and then a body pillow, 2 king pillows, and my regular pillows. And right there, I have a little blanket because I can't sleep unless I cover my face. I don't know why. That's probably a little strange. And I just have some cute little fairy lights up here because I think they're so pretty. I have a little dream catcher. I don't really believe in them, but I think they're really pretty. So I made that one and I just hung it up because I thought it was cute. And also up here I have a little heart. I don't know. I thought it was cute. And we bought a new printer, so I had to test it out. And for some reason, that is what I decided to test it out. My nightstands are from Walmart. We got them online, and it matches the bedroom set perfectly, which is so cool because they're not the same brand, but On this nightstand, I have a really ugly lamp that I've had since I lived in New Jersey. That's my iPad lighting up. I have a little dream catcher there, and I made that one when I was like 5 or 6, so I just like that for the memory. I have a little extra charging thing in case anything happens to the one down there. Another coaster. This cup has any rings in it. I have some clips in it. Yeah, I have tissues. My hands get dry, so I have some body butter here. And of course, I have 4 lip balms, and I'm actually missing one. My TV is currently on the floor and not plugged in because we need to buy a stand for it to put it like up here. We haven't found one for my tiny little baby TV. This is the same mirror as in my makeup room, and that is a little box fan because I can't sleep in silence. Yeah, and I have a gold little garbage can with some bags in there. Another nightstand. On top of it, I have my little diffuser with a coaster underneath just in case anything leaks. A water bottle. I have my little hamper here. This was also from Marshall's, I believe. My Bible. There's a little notebook underneath it, which I write whatever thoughts and stuff. And then I have a little kind of like Bible study paper. It just tells you what to read and stuff. And then a frame that I never put a picture in. That is a cute little picture of me that you can't see because the lights are in the way. Yeah. This little book that my friend gave me. So cute. For some reason, I have this little rock that's from Arizona, and I just took it out and left it there. This is also from Arizona. I think I stole this from my brother or my sister. I don't know. Maybe they gave it to me. I think my brother might have given it to me. But yeah, my room is really simple, honestly. I just like simple and clean. And then we go over here to my closet, which is a mess, kind of. Not really. I have my closet. It's kind of a train wreck, I'm sorry. In here I have some shoes. These are out because I have to stretch them out. Those are for my brother's wedding. I color coordinate, not as good as my sister because she does like short sleeve, no sleeve, short sleeve, whatever, but I don't know. I'm too messy for that. So I have my blacks, my grays, my whites. I have like 3 brown shirts, like 3 green, a couple blue, and then it just goes. And this should not be here. I think my mom hung this up. Anyway, that should be over there. But then I have my pants. These are like glittery shirts, outerwear, jackets, and then dresses and skirts are over here. I have to alternate my shoes because this was like the more winter side and this was the more summer side because these are like sandals and flip-flops and stuff. So I have to take the boots and stuff from here and put them here because it's getting warmer out. But that is my purse. I have a little... I spilled nail polish remover on here, so let's just ignore that. I have like sweatshirts and stuff like that in here. And I have, for some reason, I like to keep shoe boxes. I don't know why. They're all empty except for the one in the bag. Those are my white sneakers that I like to keep clean. I have some beanies, some like capped hats, a fedora with a beanie on top. Don't know how that got up there. Those are my brother's shorts that he cut. Long story. They actually fit me, which is kind of sad. This is my mom's wedding album. I can't get rid of that. I've had it for so long. I feel bad. These, I actually had, my mom gave me this one, my grandma gave me this one the day I was born, so I'm going to give those to my little babies. And I have some pillows in here that don't exactly go with my room at the moment until I revamp it. I have a separate comforter up there for whenever that one gets dirty. That is a backpack, and then I have purses inside that purse. Yeah, I'm like super excited to have a walk-in closet because I feel fancy. My best friend was live while I was filming, so I didn't get to watch it, so I'm watching it right now. That's Victoria.
Brows are pretty much taken care of.